Tonight we're going to talk about the adjective clause. It is a subordinate clause or a dependent clause. In other words, it needs to depend on an independent clause in order to make full sense out of, or full meaning out of the sentence. It is used to describe nouns. So it works just like an adjective. It's just extra information, just like an adverb clause is extra information for a sentence. An adjective clause is extra information describing a noun in a sentence. Now, adjective clauses can come in two places. They can come as SB splits, or they can come in a sentence as a closer. They cannot come as an opener. Adverb clauses and a lot of our phrases can come in three positions, but an adjective clause only comes as an SB split or a closer. Now, just like you know with your adverb clause that you have them start with subordinating conjunctions, well, adjective clauses also have special words that they begin with. And these special words they begin with are called relative pronouns. There's only 5 of them. Okay? So a relative pronoun is who, whose, whom, which, and that. Now I bet these kind of look familiar because we looked at them, or at least we looked at these guys when we were looking at our interrogative pronouns. But interrogative pronouns begin a sentence that is an interrogative statement or a question, whereas relative pronouns begin an adjective clause. Okay? So, let's look at some examples. If I have a sentence such as, Robbie, who had sausage for breakfast, was full. All right, so we are describing Robbie. He's our noun, and this is our clause that describes him. Which Robbie? Well, or what did Robbie do? Well, he had sausage for breakfast. Notice that it's between the subject and the verb, so this position is an SB split. And this is our relative pronoun. Okay? Let's look at another example. Let's see. Lancito, whose legs were faster than most, won the race. Okay, so we're describing Lancito. Here is our dependent subordinate conjunction. It is an SB split, and here is our relative pronoun. So we're going to be spending a lot of time working with these. So we just need to remember, when you come in tomorrow, you'll get a rule sheet, but you need to remember that your relative pronouns are what begin your adjective clause, And your relative pronouns are, there's 4 W's and a that. All right? So when you come in tomorrow, we're going to be doing some work with these. We're going to be seeing how we can add adjective clauses to our writing, and when we're writing in our descriptive essays, this will be a really good tool for you to use to make your writing richer and more elaborate, and it'll evoke more pictures, more mind pictures, as we've been talking about. All right? So we'll see you tomorrow. Good night.